Today in your phonics lesson, you discussed more about the literal and figurative meanings of words. Today, for your phonics activity, you are going to be reading some sentences and you're going to be sorting them by whether they are using the word in a literal way or in a figurative way. And so, for example, a thick blanket of fog covered the valley. This isn't an actual valley, it's just something thick, like a blanket, and it's fog. So it's going to go in the figurative meaning category. The next one, I wrapped the blanket around me and sat by the fire. In this sentence, they're talking about an actual blanket, so it's going to go in the literal column. You have more cards here to sort, and when you're done, we would like for you to pick one of these words and write your own literal meaning and then a sentence using it in a figurative way. Have fun.